Okay, welcome back. Welcome back. We are back again on a new video reaction. This is a lady called Betty. Betty, most of you know her. She's Nkere media, or I don't know, or personnel. I don't know what you may call that. I don't know where she belongs actually, but she always in the broadcast. And this lady says something, should I say celebration or a kind of mockery? But whatever you may call it, we are gonna go through that, all right? And the video is all about the video that Remijius made, and of course, that the Ramma. Most of you are aware of what happened, and just to solidify the blackmail on COS, this lady appeared here using their videos to back up their claim. So we are gonna listen to that, and there's a post that Commander Ross made, you know, with the kind of change of tone or change of his words about Adadarama and Biafrans. Based on that video that Adadarama made, we are going to go through that right up. So, but before then, please like this video and share it to many group of your choice. So let us start with the post from Commander Royce. As you can see here, he said, from Commander Royce, he said, Adandimbon, we have received and listened to your message. I only give God thanks and praise that your eyes are now getting clear. My take on this is first, I saw the danger coming. I called on our people, but they started insulting me and the entire BDF. I don't know. I don't know who insulted them. I called on Ngozi Orabeze, but I was insulted. Okay? But I was realized that we both don't have same ideology. Instead of her to listen to me, she came on media to insult me. For this fact, the BDF got angry and asked me to take action on it. I raised a memo urging the CRC, that's the Conflict Resolution Committee, to resolve this upcoming danger. And I also promise if the CRC allows the issue to persist, on January 7th, we are going to take over and run the affairs on our country till PM Simon Ekpa join us. Now, what did Ngozi Orabeze did? I told Royce, okay, let me take it in. He said, what did Ngozi Orabeze told Royce that got me upset? Wait till this. Let me get it, because it seems like there's a revelation coming out from this post. Where is this not coming from? Okay, just a moment, because I noticed there's some noise coming from this page. Okay, sorry about that. Now let's continue. There's some revelation that I can sense from this. Let me take it again so that let's see if you can make sense for us to understand that revelation. He said on January 7th, we are going to take over and run the affairs of our country till PM Simon Ekpa join us. Now, look at it here. Now, what did Ngozi Orabeze told Royce that got me upset? Meaning that Royce is different from Royce is different from Butoso, because you cannot be talking to yourself and you're calling your name like this. Like, look at it. He said, what did Ngozi Orabeze told Royce that got me upset? She she said, stop mentioning the name of PM Simon Ekpa. Secondly, hand over the upper secrets between us and PM Simon Ekpa on why Igwe Butoso seem to be inseparable with PM. Since I cannot meet up with her demand, she ran to media to post. Okay, This account don't represent USB. Same me who came to ECPA broadcast and suggested that our country name will be called USB. Okay, is who she is telling you that I don't represent USB. Okay, you are the one that made that suggestion, USB. So that's the beauty of social media. You may be listening to somebody that you're actually looking for. You don't know. People are looking to see who is this person, but he just mentioned that he's the one that suggested that name USB because I was watching live when that suggestion was made. Okay, I still never for once insulted her. I remember I want her not travel to Africa for now because zoo will do anything to confuse anyone. They can even pretend by kidnapping their own agent. I also told her not I also told her not be mentioning the name and contact of anyone in Biafra land. When I saw that thing and no longer the way we plead, even men on ground became angry. All this thing is just a kind of repeating the same story that everybody already know, right? But we are gonna finish this right up. We're gonna go. We still have few lines to go. I said due to the activities I'm engaging myself in, I have to. Okay, due to the activities I am engaging, my INN, I have to send see Holy Ghost to lecture Biafrans. Also send see Gentle, that's Commander Holy Ghost and Commander Gentle. When I noticed they have started insulting CRC, Charter, men on ground, everyone then reduced the strike forces of the BDF from 10 to 2. I said it. That somebody somewhere instructed them, give them order not to pipe low. Some of you came to my on my comments and started calling me names. Royce is here telling you the issue, but from you not to get it twisted, these posts have actually revealed that Royce is different from Butozo. She came again, disobeying our command. It is a pity that she convinced with Commander Zuma. She connived with Commander Zuma to make him the next Royce. A week later, Zuma fell into the trap of Zoo. Go and ask Ngozi what happened to Zuma, whom Simon Ekpa loves as well. Are you getting the point? Are you getting the point? So, what made this handle Royce to say all those things is no other thing than the video that Remijius and Adadarama made. Are you getting it? I'm not here to criticize anyone because everyone have right to say what they want to say. Whether the message is correct or not, that's not what I'm saying. Okay? Don't think that I'm supporting people to post number on social media. No. My stand, my video that I made where I try my best to, clear air on that. This my making my own opinion. I'm not saying that this is that I know it all. No, I just made my own humble opinion that anyone who accepts his number to be posted, I don't see it as a danger because that person must have done the necessary thing that he or she needs to do to protect himself. You understand? Then, if anybody, not only CS, post any number or any information that is totally different from the number that the person want to post. Because some of us have two numbers, right? Some of us have three. Make sure that you inform the person that own the number that you want. If the person will have to give you go ahead order to post the number, if you must post number, don't just post it without anybody's consent. That's my own take on that, and that is where I stand. So anybody that says otherwise, you're your own. So back to the video of this lady. Okay, let us listen to her. Then we can now connect it because as they are celebrating, they are mocking. because of that video. That's why when some people say that I don't give a damn, I don't care what I don't, that's where I don't buy that idea. You have to care because some of them, you may be passing a very vital information, but you are using the wrong method to do that. Now, listen. Let me on the
My
mic because I muted
greetings
it
to
before.
everyone. My wonderful people, I am here for us to interact again. As you can see on this very screen, you will see that Adadio Rama and the Remijius are making a U-turn in their tones. They have deceived so many Biafrans, joining Ngozi to divide Biafrans. They will tell you that, oh, what are you people doing? You're playing saga or doing saga. I don't know.
That they have made U-turn from their holes. You just understand that kind of words. So what do you call insult if not that? Listen.
What that means. What we want and what we should be talking about is our common interest with one voice to get Biafra. Was it not Ojukwu that started Biafra? Was it not Owazurike that took after him? Was it not Mazin Namdi Kano? I'm not from Nkere's
What
local.
he's trying to tell you that the time of PM has come and gone. Just like the time of Ojuku came and gone, the time of Wazirike followed suit, Nnamdi Kanu as well. That PM time is up and next person is Nkere. That's what this woman is trying to pass, but she's trying to say that in a trick way, but we can decode it, of course. Listen.
Our government. But we are all Biafrans. Why are we allowing these people to divide us? Initially, Remijius was attacking Nkere, supporting Ngozi. Now,
To her, now Remijius is back on track. Okay, listen. That's why he says it was attacking Nkere. Listen.
he is attacking Ngozi, saying that one man was telling his name and his phone number. Did it happen today? Adadio Rama, I will play her voice for you people to hear. But if you want to hear details of Adadio Rama, you have to go to her platform, or she has deleted it. It is there on the Twitter.
For some of you that insulted me that I said that Adarama deleted the message, that I just not me saying that, I was reading from Chiamaka's quote, and one lady like that, I don't know her. Comment section is kind of is the only way, only medium that you can communicate with people blindly, because you don't know who is responding to you. They are seeing you, they know everything about your image, how you look and everything, but yet you don't see them. But they will use their left hand and type nonsense and post and insulting you. Somebody came to my video and the comment section and said that I should say what I know, that other drama did not delete anything. I told her that I have not checked. Even in that video, I said I have not checked. That you should go and check if truly she deleted it or not. But she couldn't wait. She started raining insult on me. I was laughing. This woman is here validating that truly she deleted it. How can you make a video? Anybody that can, if you can say something and won't stand on it for a second, then your character is not something that people should be proud of. How can you, if you want to say something, say it and hands up. You understand? Be proud of what you said. Stand on your ground. Remijius did not delete anything. He maintained that. He actually made another video repeating the same thing again. Do you understand? What he's saying is true. Don't expose people to danger. That one is understandable. But the idea of that I don't care, that you don't care, that's somehow disrespectful. Whether you like it or not, it is. Now, let's continue.
we hear her voice, what she said, that in details, I will play a little bit of her voice and you will hear it. When people are telling you something, you should be able to evaluate situations. Where is the government finance? Where is the government defense? Where is everything? The lobbyist. Why don't we work together? Fulanis are killing our people, and everybody is now complaining. Okay, now Ngozi is in charge. Let her carry on now and do as our PM did.
Did you hear that? Okay, now Ngozi is on now. Let her carry on now. You know, when on my video, if you are sensible enough, I'm not insulting you, don't get me wrong. But if you can reason properly, you won't find fault with what I said. I made it clear to us that the intention and the agenda of Oginkran and his Sonak Parawa group is to pipe low. Listen, pipe low, let us prove to them that let them come and do it by themselves. Even when our people are innocent people that has nothing to do with what is going on are dying, they keep on watching. They were watching. They don't couldn't do anything. Why? To prove to you without Ogenkere, this is how you will be. How can you trust that kind of people? How? Because tomorrow, if they demand your head, if you don't want to bring, if you don't refuse to bring it, they will pipe law, of course, to tell you that your head is the only way, the only thing that will make us. That what is? I don't want to. Let me know further this topic because if I say something here, some of you may, of course, may misunderstand it. But let me just end it there. It is written everywhere that it is a deliberate act. When you see what they are doing, how they are doing, all this gara gara gara. Ebubago is now remember how these guys were striking. It's not as if CS, decided to excommunicate them. They have issues with each other. CS want to maintain government principle that nobody will be, you cannot in a democratic regime or in a democratic government, military don't dictate on how things is being done. Military don't dictate. If you are a military and you expect CS or government to follow you everything you said, it is wrong. If CS refuse to understand or take your advice, your security advice, it is wrong. That's my stand. But this idea of Ogenkere has had Butuzo and maybe people that are in charge said to CS, yes, you cannot remove all these people, even though you be in the helm of the affair, but Ogenkere will not be the leader. Like people don't like him to be the leader. That's just the fact. It doesn't matter what you want as a commander. You need to understand that people that you are protecting and you are defending don't like this guy. They have seen what you yourself are not seeing because they are the one bringing the money. Your own is to do the needful. But people that are bringing the money are not in line with what Ogenkere believe on. You said no. No Gabranato Yikurumakia. That kind of thing is not something that anybody will take easily, to be honest with you. I'm not gonna lie. But this woman, for this woman to say what she just said now, that okay, you say Ngozi is in charge. Okay, come and tell her, come and do it now. You did not even hands up and let her do it. No. You were the one causing obstacle for her to do it, to recruit other people to do it. You don't want. You are crying about it. Then you that you hijack everything, oh yeah, do it now. So the boyfriend will say, okay, Ngozi couldn't do anything. They refuse to do the needful. If you know Igbo people, how our people work, assuming that you did not even further argument with Ngozi, despite you don't like her, you don't want her to do anything, assuming that you say, okay, let me let us be doing what we are doing, and from time to time you let Biafran know that you are not operating under her, but Biafrans are seeing how you guys are matching and doing something. Ngozi will die, not die as a human being, please. Her movement or her presence will die natural death. Okay? Because Biafran will switch on to the Ubonagaga. Well, but you guys decided to stand still to prove that without you, that is a threat. If you end up bringing her down with this kind of mentality, who will be next? Because you are going to do it again. Maybe when Biafrans say, okay, we don't want, you say no, that you want to be in charge of so location or so thing in Biafra land. If they say no, you open door for enemy to come and invade. That is just it. And that is a very, very dangerous movement. Listen.
PM to get Biafra. That is their pain. That is their problem. That is the case. So, fellow Biafras, it is not all these things we are saying, everything you are doing, cursing each other, fighting each other, it will not get us Biafra. Let me tell you the truth. What will get us Biafra is our unity. Contribution of our fund to raise.
Now, you made 2 points. One is unity, two is contribution of fund. Let us talk about the unity first. How can you unify with somebody who is not truthful to you? How can you unify with somebody who is not transparent to you? How can you unify with somebody who don't believe that you exist? If you love somebody, you don't just jump on social media and start calling person name. That people decided to side COS, follow her, does not warrant you calling them mugus. Do you understand? Calling them names. If you want to call COS name, focus on COS. But when you drag up their friends and start insulting them, there are some people in this life that if you dare insult them, they're not gonna listen to you anymore. They value their names and their personality more than anything. Do you actually understand the caliber of people that you are talking to when you are making such posts, addressing them? You don't know because you don't feed anybody. But you are on your own location and decide to banter them with everything you can remember. Every bad name you can think of, you voice it out and you expect people to hug you for that? No. And connect it, join this kind of behavior that some of you is a bit on social media with the decision that you made by allowing Biafrans to go down for nothing. Because PM, the kind of report that you guys have, Biafran contributed it. It's not from PM Post. Do you understand? PM is a unifier. He is somebody who, you think they gave him peace ambassador for fun. That's the reason for that. That's who he is. He don't drive joy in war, problem. No. That is, but there's no other choice. And he tried everything to make this thing to be the way it is. Some of you that are working and doing all things decided not to work. So what is the offense of CS? If you actually want mean good, you should advise Nkere. One, what can he do? You in this video you made it clear that he is not a talking type. The movement needs a talking type. One of the quality that you need is someone who know how to talk. But even this woman said it here that Nkere is not a talking type. You can't tell me that he's not a talking type. He only do the action. How can you do action when you're not on ground? People we have already you already have people that are doing the action. So don't give that glory to him that he's doing the action. No, commanding is how can you command when you're not a talking type? PM voices he don't have bars like when he speak he sound like lion, but the energy that he that comes out from his word when he talk is just like lion. I don't know, but Nkere is not a talking type. The energy is very low. These two things that they go. How can you lead then? Then he's not even smart. Sorry to say that. I don't want to insult him. Because what happened between him and Arise TV proved that he's not a smart person. Not that he's not smart to be a husband to his wife, or no, or to bear children, no, or to even do business, but smartness in terms of this kind of movement. We that are watching from outside know all those things because we can see it very, very clear that he's not. Listen again. Let's continue.
Fund and support our men on ground. Men on ground will not fight with their hands. They will not.
It's true.
I'm telling you the honest truth.
It is
what
true.
will get us Biafra?
I agree. They will not fight with their hands or with empty hand. It is true. Constant contribution is needed. If you want to achieve, for anybody that want to, progress in freedom movement, you need money, whether Biafra or not Biafra. You need money to do that. It's not something that you can do by talking alone. But when you yourself know that you need money and you try to pick fight with people who are bringing the money, you see, you understand it now. Like I said yesterday, that you don't have natural resources to rely on. You still, current concern, you still depend on this. Now, this, stubbornness is not only peculiar to one group of people. If COS and Biafra decide to be stubborn, like you, They will fight for fight. They will fight until the fight, that fight will get to you as a one, as men on ground. It will get to you as you that are abroad, because your siblings, your relative may be involved. So it's not as if it's this danger is opposed on a one particular people. It can touch every finger. If you keep doing this stubbornness, oh, must be Nkere. Why are you forcing somebody that is not forcing something that is not existing to come to appear to be existing? Like even the one of the corruption that I've seen after the declaration is turning CRC as electoral committee or electoral body of Biafra, and you guys are still calling BRG. There's a post that this BRGIE, something like that. Biafra Government in Exile. You are still calling that name after declaring Biafra USB. He said he's the one that that suggested that name USB, United States of Biafra. Yes, but yet you are still making in your post. You are still using BRIGE and all that because something is hidden about it. Now listen.
Is our fault. Ọ bụrụ ọrụ anyị na-agbatọsị na internet ga-enweta Biafra.
Nke a eziokwu. I agree.
So my people, listen to Adadioramba first. So where is Igwe Butuzo? Are they taking care of these guys? We're going to ask our COS. Are Igwe Butuzo taking care of? And they make it quite sure that Igwe Butuzo if we need.
Let me say this in defense of Adadioramba. CS somehow need to be blamed on this one, on this thing, this video that Adadioramba made, because I'm blaming her not for any other thing or for any other reason, but I felt that Adadioramba as a cabinet member lacks information about the movement and what government is doing. Because I don't see any reason why somebody who is in cabinet will come out and say this kind of thing that she said here. These are things that she is in position to explain to Biafrans, but she's here sounding as if she lacks knowledge about it. That is a story that people like COS need to tell. Why is one of your cabinet member lacks information about the way things are being carried out or things are being done? If you have any reason for not, which I myself, I can tell you some things about why CS is not working with Butozo or Commander Royce, whoever the person may be, because they chose to work with Nkere, and CS decided to move ahead, look for another means to build and to protect, which is going to take a long time. It's going to take a long time because it cannot recruit overnight, let alone when you have a recruited people group that is on ground already, sabotaging and destroying that your recruitment. It's going to take long. And who is going to pay the price? Ordinary people like me and you. People who don't know anything about it will be the ones suffering because they are kidnapping. Those ones who are supposed to protect them, I will be busy mocking them, telling you that go and call your CEO. Like this woman at her age is asking such questions. That you can see people dying, and what you can say is go and call Ngozi Arabes to come and protect you. You say that she's in charge now, but you don't. You know that you hijack almost everything that PM has built. He did not build anything. He did not invent anything whatsoever, but he hijacked everything, and yet you see people calling to go and call her now. Go and call her now. And tomorrow the people will gather to look for who is sabotaging Biafra. Anyway, I don't want to go there. Listen.
It is guys. So say venture. Because nobody can hold us stage. I can never allow that. And then also that time that she can never allow that. After Kochi, her platform deceive Igbo. Deceive ụmụ Biafra maka na Igbo ọ bụrụ sọsọ Igbo bụ Biafra, anyị the 40 states e deceive everybody na-eme Ngozi ngwanụ Ngozi jeje chedonu Biafra. We are waiting for her.
Okay.
Nkere echiri ọkụ ya o nwere onye echie.
Look at this woman. I don't blame anybody that insult you, honestly. Nkere, but Nkere is dragging through Her Caribbean Highness, bragging that he hijacked defense, Minister of Defense handle. Twitter, that you yourself can create your own, and why must you drag the government handle? Official government handle, you drag it, then all the commanders is assigning you. They are all with you. Yet, Nkere, because this she cannot save anybody. Okay, I'm not here to tell you that Nkere, if Nkere is gonna bring Biafra, let him bring Biafra. Biafra will follow him. It's not about me or anybody. I don't have the power. I'm not even in government in decision making of any group. So what I'm saying is my, a concerned citizen reaction. I'm just reacting based on what is in public domain. But some of you at your age, you be lying and lying and lying, and yet you are here trying to analyze, trying to blackmail or expose Atadorama and Remijius. But at the same time, you are committing a very big blunder. Anyway, listen.
Okay, also that time Ekejiju Ajuju Elugo that she can never allow that. After Kochi her platform deceive Ucha Umu Igbo, deceive Umu Biafra, maka na Igbo ọbụrụ sọsọ Igbo bụ Biafra, I the 40 states, a deceive Ucha everybody. Na-eme nọ ngozi ngwanụ ngozi jeje chedonu Biafra, we are waiting for her. Nkere chiri ọkụ ya, o nwere onye chie. Let her go and protect Biafrans. Okwafa Bagakukpa Ejide Simon. They have conspired and Simon has been detained. Okay, now let them go and do the work. Nkere doesn't fight. He's not the talking type. You have all seen it.
Did you hear that? She said it here. Nkere doesn't fight. Nkere doesn't fight. She's not the talking type. So why did he want to lead then? Let me take it back again.
He's not the talking type. You have all seen it.
No. Start from he doesn't fight.
Today, Simon. They have conspired and Simon has been detained. Okay, now let them go and do the work.
Okay.
Nkere doesn't fight. He's not the talking type. You have.
Nkere doesn't fight. He's not the talking type. These two things, you can't lead a movement like Biafra without having, because the movement of Biafra is all about fighting. It's either you fight, on ground, or you fight with pen. He's not the talking fight. He's not the talking type. He doesn't fight. So why is he in the struggle then?
Forcing it. Let them go and save Biafra land. Because Biafrans, Ebidogo Kwagaba on IDP camp, they have started.
Their job now is to remind you that IDP camp is active so that you can make U-turn to avoid that IDP camp, just to side them, to follow them. Forcefully bringing people to your side. Who does that? You made mention of Ojuku, Raf Wazurike, Namorika. None of these people forced anybody to join them. Nobody, even PM did not force anybody. It is willingly. The same thing that most of you think that PM was doing, that using Biafra Liberation Army to force people to stay at home. Today, he's not here for two months, going 3 months, if I'm not mistaken. 2 months now. And Biafrans are still at home peacefully. Nobody, you do understand? DOS and the Bubago that normally come out with pump passion and chase people away in the name of blackmailing PM. After the PM, was arrested, have you seen any video on Monday where they're burning house and burning? But people are still at home, right? So to tell you that people that are criticizing him of committing crime, they were the one behind that thing. Common sense is not common, but anybody that have common sense will understand what I'm saying better. Listen.
They don't want Simon to get Biafra. Oh yeah, now those of them who want whoever to get Biafra for them, this is the time to work. Because all these people are deceiving you people. All these men, Nafa Jesibote Ngwaga, Jide Front, Unugafu, what will happen? Ano kata madana emebi. Onye ji akpịrị ya na-akpọchụ anụ a na-edolie. Kedu nnọọ ife na-eme ndị Igbo na this Biafra struggle? Kedu ife na-eme anyị? Ife a bụ sabotage emere Ojukwu, mee ya Ụwazurike, mee ya Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, mee ya Simon Ekpa. Kịta kwa APM apụta, unu ebidokwa. My people,
APM apụta onye duputere ya. APM apụta. You see, I don't want to talk about this again. Let me just allow the video to play because I don't want to, go beyond boundary. You understand? But a lot is to be discussed on this nonsense that the woman is saying here. Listen.
all we need is togetherness. Togetherness, that's all we need.
I 100% agree. Togetherness and love and truthfulness. Can you drop lies? If you can drop lies, why not? Togetherness will yield fruit. But coming together for donating money for you to expand lies is not something that any sensible human will appreciate. Nkere said that he talked to PM for 30 minutes. Have you, on your platform, you don't see that as a problem at your age? You don't see that, even you that made mention of he's not a fighting, he doesn't fight, he's not a talking type. So what is the quality of a good leadership, a good leader? What is the quality that PM possessed that made Biafran to follow him? He's not a fighting type, he's not a talking type, whenever he wants to say something, he lie. Three dangerous things that he lacked. He lacked talking, he lacked fighting spirit, he's lacked sincerity. Yet, and I need push me. Kwame yaka, push me. After everything, what happened?
Onye sikwa unu na ọ bụrụ ife anyị need, ịma na onye anwa adakwu n'eziokwu. I will leave it here. Go to the platforms. You will find these people and see that they speak.
So, my people, thank you so much for your time, and please like the video. Tell me what you think about all the discussed so far. I don't just want to keep on listening and playing this nonsense. I'm not insulting her. For some of you that, you're insulting your elder. I'm not insulting her. I'm just stating it the way, I'm just trying to say it the way it is, to set the record straight. All right? Celebrating waving flag because Remijius and the gave them that privilege with the video. And why Remijius and the made that video almost the same time is something that's suspicious. Do you understand? Two of them. Oh, God. Oh, God. Even though the message they pass is very, very, very good. That I'm not saying they're sabotaging CSO. No. What I'm saying is that the way they pass the message and how they put, knowing fully well that there are people waiting for this opportunity. You are not happy. That thing did not help anything. And anyway, call KMSN, subscribe and like the video. God bless you.